everyone, today's story is Who's Making That Noise? And it's illustrated by Stephen Cartwright. And the author is Philip Hawthorne and Jenny Tyler. And there is a little yellow duck and a white mouse on every double page. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's inside? Just open wide. Oh, look, it's Teddy with a trumpet. Toot, toot, toot. I can see the duck. I can see the mouse. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. I wonder who dares look under the stairs. It's Chicken, and he's making a noise, thud, thud, thud. And there's the mouse, and there's the duck. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's hiding there to give us a scare? Who's it going to be? It's Dog. Rattle, rattle, rattle. He's got his dog toy. And can you see the mouse? There he is. And where's the duck? Where is he? Oh, there he is, by my finger. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Now, who do you think is under the sink? It's Pig, and he's going crash, bang, crash with the saucepan lids. And can you see Mouse? There he is. And can you see Duck? There he is. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. It's time to explore. But which cupboard door? Oh, we've got Cat in there going ring-a-ding-ding with a bell. And there's the mouse. And there's the duck in the fish tank. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Do hurry, don't wait. Pull open that gate. It's Rabbit. He's going bang, bang, bang. And there's Mouse. And there's Duck. Now, who could be making that hullabaloo? It's surely not me, and it's surely not you. Open this first to find out the worst. Shout, scream, yell, us noisy boys! It is them this time making the noise. Do you want to know more? Then open the door. That's who. It's us noisy boys, that's who. Shriek, cry, hoot. And did you spot the mouse? There's the mouse. And have you spotted the duck? There he is. Can you see him? There. And now the noisy boys are saying shh. And there's the duck. And there's the mouse. Hope you enjoyed that, guys.